What's up guys? So today I am going to show you what I did with these two Pelican cases. So I'm going to turn this one on. And pretty much I got tired of setting up or putting away equipment in the dark because I do a lot of event videography and also just, when it's the end of the day and you have to pack up things, you have to pack up things really fast and sometimes there's no working light. So these cases have these like LED strips so that way when I'm working, I can see everything in the case, and it's super handy because they're super bright. Originally, I wanted to go buy a light at IKEA, but as I was measuring the case for the IKEA lights, it was actually a little bit too big for the case, and it would actually block a lot of the light because of how my lid organizer is set up. So instead, I decided to go for a little bit more sleeker profile and then went with an LED light strip, and these are just like computer lights that you can actually buy on Amazon, and I'll put a link to the project I use below. One of the main reasons as to why I decided not to go for RGB lights is because one, it's super distracting, and number two, the light output when I tested it wasn't as bright as these daylight bicolor ones. So I ended up going with these LED strips instead of going for a little bit more fashionable lights all over the case because I just want something that's simple and clean and gets the work done, doesn't hinder like productivity. So to make this work, it's actually fairly simple. You just get these LED light strips. I got them from Amazon. They come with these LED controls. It's used for dimming the light. They also come with a USB-A. Almost every power bank uses, which is great. Once you open up the package, you'll see that it comes with a roll of strips and there's lines on them, and those lines denote that areas that you can actually cut. On the other side is actually 3M adhesive, so it's actually really easy to just stick it onto the case. And all you have to do is peel off the adhesive, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure that when you're putting it into the case that you put it further inside the case so that when you close the lid, the LEDs won't get smashed by the lid. The first time that I did this, I didn't do the entire lid, and that kind of soon proved to be a mistake because of how many bags were on the lid organizer. The case divider was also black, so it needed more light to see deeper into the case. So in the end, I actually went back and bought another roll of the LED strip, and this time instead of making it a half moon half case, I actually made it go around the entire lid of the case. So that kind of pretty much solved my problems there. And then in order to mount the LED controller onto the case, I just used a simple command strip that I had laying around. And that pretty much allowed me to mount it on there and take it off when I need to, if I don't need it to be mounted. I like the fact that I can reposition the controller anywhere within the case. So I actually like the rounded, smaller cigarette lighter that's like 5,000 milliamps. And it's because you don't really need that much when you're trying to like pack away stuff, and it's such a short time anyways that these are just super easy to charge. And I really like the functionality where I can actually unplug it and plug in any power bank that I have. So it doesn't have to be a specific rechargeable battery. It can just be any power bank that you have lying around that you can use to power the case lights. So with the first LED light that I cut up and couldn't use anymore on this case, I actually repurposed it with my Air 1535. And it was even better because the divider insides are yellow, so naturally when I shine light on it, it made the whole case light up. It actually worked out in the end because I didn't have to wrap the LED around like I did with the other case, the 1510. I've been using this for the past maybe 4 months on shoots, and I've actually shown it to a lot of people on set, and they are always really intrigued by it, and it's always really cool to turn on the lights to show people. I'll use this when it's like super dark outside and I'm the only one packing, and it's super handy because I don't need to hold a flashlight and my case is always really brightly lit. Overall, this is like a really simple hack, and I think it's really great that I kind of figured out a way to do this because, yeah, I just got really tired and, I wasn't really going to pay a bunch of money to like outfit some other case lights into the case. These are just a really great cost-effective way if you're looking for a budget, and it actually doesn't cost that much. It only costs $15 to $20 a roll. I hope you guys like this video of my kind of Pelican DIY light case hack. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. I mean, what else would you add on here? So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.